We're gonna be making a game, but what kind of game? A puzzle game? Nah, that's too complicated. Let's go with a simple choice game. Okay, we're making a 2D platformer, but it's like well, it's like a sort of a lab. Well, it's not really a maze, to be honest. It's more like a choice game. You get to make choices, you know. You want to go down, you want to go up, you know. And for that, we gotta make this square. And the player being a square, I think it looks basic, but it looks good, like in a way, you know, like the white and the red, the contrast, it looks good. That's why I chose those colors. Obviously, we gotta put the code in, you know. I really gotta get better at coding, Loki. But anyway, the player moves now. We got everything. Added some of the code in to get the player to move around as fast as needed and properly. Added the tags. Yep, everything seems to be working. I actually changed around the force multipliers, I believe, the jump force and everything. I don't think that's called force multiplier. That's like just like basically the code for controlling the force of the player. Anyway, yeah, I did that. Made the game, made the camera follow the game, follow the player, and made this a bit longer. And I just realized that this can actually go off the little square that you have in the middle. I thought the entire game, had to be like in that square, but that's not true. That's just where the camera is, which is a good thing to learn. A lot of beginner learning going on here. Yeah, pretty much. And we gotta set up everything else in the game, like making the obstacles, you know. Of course, we gotta add in the, the text, not texture, but like the what do you even call it? It's not a texture because I have no idea. The art style of it, you just got like it looks like brick. Wait, why did I make that again? Oh yeah, I didn't even need to make that, bruh. Cause I didn't even use it. I thought I'd be using that, but I didn't even use it. It's all good though. I added that wall so like the player doesn't go off that area because you know we don't want the player going in the left direction. The game's on the right. Anyhow, let's build a bit more of the course, you know, get it all up and running. We need him to go on the right side. Anyway, made the obstacle course, made the choices, made everything like that, everything that's needed. And yeah. Next, we gotta get the player to have a way to go up or stay at the same area. And for that, this works, you know, it's quite a simple way to go, but it works. If it works, it works. You know, if it ain't broken, don't fix it. It's all good. Here's the riddle: up or down, choose a side. Where will you reside? Is that creative? Maybe. I actually came up with that myself. Anyhow, changing the size of the riddle, you know, making sure it's the correct size and everything. Anyhow, we gotta see if everything works out now. Oh no, we're still making the stuff. Loki, I'm editing this and it just keeps like freezing because I've got some of it that's like sped up so fast that it lags a little bit. But anyway, everything should be good. We've made the obstacle course. It goes up. Now, of course, we gotta put in the Unity particle system. The particles are needed. Well, not needed, but like they add like a little bit of a touch, which looks nice. But I don't really know how to use it too well since I'm quite the noob at the particle system. I just discovered it, to be honest. Well, I heard about it before from the YouTuber Danny, but I discovered how it sort of works a little bit. If that's the main particle system anyway. Anyway, here we have the game. I was really struggling to get up there, wasn't I? It's because I decreased the jump force, but it's all good. Yep, I increased the jump force there from 5 to 8. So it should jump a little bit higher now. And yeah. It goes up, it goes through. You've got it. It jumps up, and yeah. Here are both the riddles, and they work. Subscribe.